Hi guys, I am Eric and this is my unboxing of Mavic 2 Pro DJI. So please stay tuned and also enjoy the background music as my neighborhood's having fun. They're doing a video, okay? Well, I'm doing it or unboxing it, so we'll unbox it now. Here in the box, you will read the Hasselblad 1" sensor camera that the drone is using. So, and also it supports 4K 10-bit HDR video, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, 8-kilometer video transmission, and then 31-minute flight time. So, ganun na siya katagal ngayon. So, tapos 72 kph max speed. Yung max speed niya is up to 72 kph. So, okay, so let's unbox it now. Okay. I think I can use my case. Where is my case? Okay. Okay, that one. So we will use this one to do it. Ito yung ginagamit para mag-pops up yung yung SIM ng phone from Samsung S8. Okay. Put it here. And wow. So open. There's an indicator here, say open. But I think what I have to do is to push it. Okay. Push. Okay. Push. Yeah. Let's put it here. Mavic 2 Pro. So it's sealed. Maybe you don't have to accept it. If not, okay, this is hey, you pops up now. Okay, I'm going to picture it. Whoa! Look at that! Look at that! So, what I have in the box is the controller. Like the smell. Controller, let's put it here. And then, what is it? I think it's a battery. Oh no, it's a propeller. It's a wire. Wire. Power cord. Okay. Okay, the adapter. See. So I think this is the propeller. Oh, it's not a propeller, but some accessories, some cable. This one. What is it? Oh, it's a joystick. Okay, let's put it here. Let's put it back, and then the cable. What is it? Okay, another. There were two of them, or there were two of this. Okay, and then let's continue. I think the propeller is inside of this box. What about this one? Okay. This. I see the propeller is here. Okay, this two. Then the other two here. Okay. So, wow. Okay. So black, then white. It's here. There's a white, then only black. Then the user manual. Oh, a backup. There's a backup propeller. Okay, I have two backup propellers. So 6 total. And then the user manual, Mavic 2 Pro. Okay. Quick start guide. And then the battery. The Mavic 2 Pro. And then the drone. Party. Oh, it's a bit heavy, huh? Okay. Not really heavy. Maybe because it's attached to the box. So, see it? I'm excited to fly this drone. Look at this. Okay. Controller. What else?